Hello lovelies, this is the coral stitch. It's like a straight line but with some knots in. We're going to bring our needle up through our fabric and we're going to then take our needle down into our fabric a stitch length away, but leave a loop. Leave a nice big loop. We're going to bring our needle back up through the fabric slightly above, so really close to where we went down through the fabric. We need to take the thread that's coming out of the fabric on the left and go around our needle from underneath and then just pull your needle all the way through. I'm going to do a slow motion version now. Take your needle down through the fabric one stitch length away and come back up slightly above that one. Leave a loop. It doesn't matter if you don't have a big enough loop, you can easily pull your thread back through. And the thread goes around the needle from underneath to above, anti-clockwise, and then pull your needle. We'll do this one more time. Go down into the fabric one stitch length away, leave a big loop, bring your needle up through the fabric slightly above it. Take the thread that's nearest the knot and go around your needle from left to right, counter clockwise, and then just pull your needle through. In the bottom line of the yellow stitches, I actually added 2 wraps. So you could add 2 wraps. It would look pretty cool. I don't know what that's called. It might have a different name, but that's your coral stitch. Happy stitching.